Welcome to this channel. Your question is, if a square plus b square plus c square plus 3 is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c, find aq plus bq plus cq. First write the given condition, given that a square that is 2 into a plus c. What is to find out c? aq plus bq plus cq. Either this equation we have to express in terms of plus bq plus cq, then we can find if others, that means remaining, are constant. Otherwise, if we are able to find out the value of a b c, then we will put the value of aq plus bq plus cq. One formula: if suppose x square plus y square plus z square and so on is equal to 0, then x is equal to y is equal to z are all zeros. So if we are able to express the square of some expression or algebraic expression, then each expression will be 0. Let us try. Or a square plus b square plus c square. Multiply right hand side, that means 2a plus 2b plus 2c, transpose to the left, minus 2a, because here is plus 2a plus 2b plus 2c, minus 2b minus 2c plus c, that is equal to 0. See, a square, if we consider a square minus 2a plus 1, that means 1 whole square, then there will be an expression whole square of algebraic expression. So we write a square minus 2 into a. If we are able to express a plus something into, suppose, writing 1 plus 1 square, then we can write a minus 1 whole square. Right, similarly, b square minus 2 into b into 1 plus 1 square, plus writing b square minus 2c into 1 plus 1 square. See, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. There are 3 1 square. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1. After summing, that will be 3. Here is 1 3. So we are no need to write 3 already written. So that is equal to 0. Therefore, a minus 1 whole square plus b minus 1 whole square plus b minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. Obviously, this is of this form. That means sum of the squares of algebraic expression is equal to 0, as the last equation is sum of the squares is equal to 0. The squares is equal to 0. So the expression within the bracket, they are identically 0. They are identically 0. That means a minus 1 is equal to 0, b minus 1 is equal to 0, c minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving these equations, these are also independently three equations. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, e is equal to 1. Now, obviously, we can find the value of now a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Put the values of 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 1 cube. Here we should write as a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, e is equal to 1. So 1 cube 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore the required value of therefore the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3. So done.